Welcome to DIY Gardening Ideas. For a gardener trying to grow healthy, happy plants, good soil is very vital. While there are undoubtedly many cheap chemical solutions, actually there are a lot of easy things you can do to increase nutrients and keep up a productive garden. In this video, I'll explain 6 techniques to naturally enrich any type of soil with nutrients so that you never have to purchase those pricey chemical fertilizers again. Before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks like this. Number 1. As you prepare your potting soil, simply place a single raw egg at the bottom. Over time, the egg will decompose and act as a natural fertilizer for the plants. Eggshells that have been crushed also functions just as well as entire eggs. Number 2. Banana skins contain a number of nutrients, including potassium, phosphate, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, and sodium. All of these things can help promote healthy growth of plants. Best way to effectively use banana peel is to cut them up into small pieces so that they can decompose faster. This will result in organic matter that helps establish rich soil. Number 3. If you have a fireplace, you will love this free method for raising pH level of your soil. You simply scatter the ashes around the soil as a way to lower acidic level. This will make it easier to grow a fresh crop. To learn more about the use of ash in the garden, check the link in the description box. Number 4. Allow the leaves to rot over the garden during winter. That will provide nutrients for the soil to prepare it for the next growing season. The leaves work to pull the organic matter back into the soil, making it dark and very rich. Number 5. Epsom salts are especially good for soil. Low pH level are usually an indication of magnesium imbalance. To boost the pH level in the soil, dilute the Epsom salt with water and spray on the plants. The vegetation will soak up this salt and welcome the upcoming nutrients. Number 6. Compost regularly while using the bits and pieces of natural matter. It can be very helpful. Many pieces of compost will only go one step further toward enriching your soil. There are a number of benefits to using natural compost regularly. It works to improve the soil structure while using less water. The soil benefits from added layer of nutrients, especially before a growing season. Now, if you like this video, check the more videos like this in the description box. Give it a thumbs up, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing it for more videos. Thanks.